Good day to our research advisor, Sir Jameson Viclar Piquero. We are here to present our study titled The Impact of Customer Service Training on Client Retention Among Small Enterprises in Chaong, Quezon. I am Christian Ivan Pundano together with my group members.
I am Sheila Mayti Cabrera.
I am Paul Ian S. Silagan.
I am Jandel G. Dael.
Our studies aims to analyze how the customer service training can affect on client retention and customer loyalty among small businesses. So now, let's start to discuss on the background of the study. Background of the study. Effective customer service plays a vital role in the success of all businesses, particularly small enterprises, as it fosters long-term relationship and ensure customer satisfactions. In Chaong, Quezon, many small enterprises rely heavily on loyal clients to sustain their operations. However, some of these businesses struggle to deliver quality customer service due to the lack of proper training for their employees. Providing adequate customer service training enhance employees' communication and problem-solving skills. Consequently, well-trained employees contribute to improved customer experience and higher client retention rates. Next is the objectives. The primary objectives of this study was to examine the impact of customer service training on client loyalty among small businesses in Chaong, Quezon. Specifically, the research aims to determine the extent of customer service training provided by these enterprises. It also sought to assess the level of client retention achieved by small businesses in the area. Furthermore, the study intended to explore the relationship between the training received by the employees and the resulting client retention. Overall, the research aims to provide insight into how employee training influences customer loyalty and businesses' sustainability. So now, let's proceed on our methodology and significance of the study that will be discussed by Ms. Cabrera.
Methodology. In our research, we use a correlational design to find out the connection between customer service training and customer satisfaction in small business located in Chaong, Quezon. We selected 30 respondents including business owners, managers, and staff. They answer a structured survey questionnaire with 4-point Likert scale. The collected data was validated and analyzed using descriptive and inferential statistics, such as the t-test or Mann-Whitney U-test. Depending on the data's normality, we also made sure to follow ethical guidelines, like getting informed consent, keeping confidentiality, and ensuring voluntary participation from all respondents. Significance of the study. This study is important because it helps us understand how customer service training can improve client satisfaction and loyalty in small businesses in Chaong, Quezon. It also shows the employee training can enhance communication skills and services quality among staff. Local customer benefit because businesses can provide better services experience, leading to a stronger relationship between client and businesses. Lastly, the findings can serve as a reference for future researchers who want to study topics about business growth, customer relations, and employee training. Now, let's proceed on result and discussion and conclusion that will be discussed by Mr. Ilagan.
Result and discussion. Based on the data gathered from 30 respondents, both variables showed high mean scores customer service training with a mean of 3.429 and the client retention with a mean of 3.437. This means that most small business effectively apply customer service practices that helps them keep their clients satisfied. Through the Spearman-Raw correlation test, we found a very strong positive relationship between customer service, training, and client retention with an R value of 0.9168 and a P value of 0.000. This research indicates the employees receive more effective and continuous training. Their ability to satisfy and retain customer also improves. In a short, well-trained employees contribute greatly to customer loyalty and satisfaction, which are both vital for the success and sustainability of small business. Conclusion. In conclusion, the findings of This study clearly showed that customer service training plays a significant role in improving client retention. Business that provides regular effective training to their employees tend to have more loyal and satisfied customer. The strong correlation between the two variables proves that good customer service starts with proper employee training. Therefore, it is recommended that small business owners continue to provide ongoing training programs to enhance employee performance, strengthen relationship with the customer, and ensure the long-term growth and success of their business. The next are recommendation, bibliography, and photo credits that will be discussed by Mr. Dael.
Recommendation. This explains that continuous customer service training and teamwork among stakeholders are important to improve business performance and customer satisfaction. The researchers suggest that future studies should further explore how customer service training affects client loyalty, especially in Chaong, Quezon. It also encouraged policymakers to support training programs to help businesses grow and build trust and loyalty between owners, employees, and customers. Bibliography. The picture shows the bibliography section of a research project with detailed academic reference on a blue gradient background, emphasizing credible sourcing and recognizing the authors who supported the study. Photo credits. The picture shows the photo credit slide that acknowledge image and data sources featuring screenshot of surveys and table on budgeting, impulse buying, financial literacy, and savings, all presented on a clean light blue background with white text for a formal academic look. Let's proceed to the abstract that will be discussed by Mr. Ilagan.
Abstract. The study examined how customer service training affects client retention in a small business in Chaong, Quezon. Using correlational design with 30 participants, data were gathered through a point Likert scale questionnaire. Results show high mean score for both customer service training M equal 3.429 and client retention M equal 3.437. A very strong positive correlation was found, meaning that better training leads to the higher customer loyalty and the satisfaction. The study concludes the continuous customer service training helps to improve employee performance and strengthens long-term customer relationship.